Hello! Today I want to help you get familiar with your freestanding tub faucet system. Let's take a look at what's inside. First, you have your manual. Your manual is crucial for you to understand how to install the system correctly. Do not disregard it. Next, we have our straight tube. The system relies on this. The water will flow through it. The standing tube will rest on the triangle base. The valve body connects to the straight tube. On the valve body, you have your tub faucet and you have your valve. You also have your mode switch. Using the mode switch, you can change between tub mode and handheld shower mode. Here is the handheld shower base. Here's the handheld shower hose. This will be left on the base when not in use. Here's your handheld shower. Here's your faceplate. This will cover the triangle base and keep your bathroom looking sleek and nice. Here is your 32-inch water line system. This comes with an 8-inch extender. Pay attention to the colors as they tell you which temperature would come out of which hose, namely red for hot and blue for cold. In some homes, you may need to use an adapter for your water line system. These adapters will help you in those situations. Here are some hardware tools and pieces necessary to install the system correctly. Lastly is Teflon tape. This is essential for making sure the valves do not leak. Please use an appropriate amount. Too much or too little can cause leaking. We hope you enjoy our products. Thank you.